Are we losing recipes when our ancestors already did the work? There are books that you can buy with remedies for almost anything. So these are 250 powerful remedies. And let me just show you guys, like, this is great for herpes. Natural toothpaste, gum strengthening mouthwash. The dentist is not going to tell you about that. Better than Botox. Wait, let's go to that page. Guys, they gave you the ingredients and the instructions to make your own Botox cream. They have something for inflammation, something for fever, anti-mucus. Like, did you know potatoes can soothe a sore throat? This is crazy. So if you don't have one of these books in your household, get it now, especially while it's back in stock and on sale.